Hi everyone, Ryan here, Horton Bonsai. In today's video, I'll be pruning my Cotoneaster, which is planted on a rock. It got very potted at the beginning of the year, so I've just let it grow. So it's time to give it a haircut, put a bit of style back into the tray. So as you know, it was Doncaster boat sale last weekend. I didn't have time to go around and get videos of the trays and everything. But what I did is I met up with a few lads, which was Scott from Redstone Bonsai, Xavier from Expressions of Grace Bonsai, Alex and Jason. So it was nice meeting up with the lads. Right, time to get into the video. What we'll do is we'll give this a haircut and I'll show you what I've been doing with Howrad, because I've had to move him outside into Duckingham Palace because he's too big now and he just keeps shouting because I've had to lock him in. Right, let's get the scissors out and get into the haircut. I'll give you a look at the tray. As you can see, the Cotoneaster, I would see it's alive after the repot. Just gone all leggy. So we'll get it back down, we'll get some pads back into it and get these long extensions cut off. Some sort of large leaf Cotoneaster. I don't know exactly what variety it is. It's a nice tree, it was alright for now. So as you can see, it's gone crackers. Literally gone crackers. What I'm going to do is, we'll start off with the bottom pad down there. Tell you what, I'm just going to take some length off, like that. That's going straight up, so it can come off there. I'm just going to cut back a pair of leaves. Anything growing straight down or up is coming off. Like I said, this is a large leaf variety, which I really don't know what type it is. Should have been pruned by now, but I've been a little bit busy. A few of the trees are starting to get their autumn colours on, or fall colours. It all depends which side of the pond you're on. Which is, other than growing season, one of the favourite times of the year for me. Especially for my deciduous trees. As I drop all the leaves, we can get in and have a look at the bare structure of the tree and make it a lot easier for styling. Pretty much for one pad. We'll just spin them round and keep going. With it being the autumn, it's that time of year I need to treat the dead wood on the privet. We'll have to get that done just before the water hits and rots it even more. This was that branch, what I said in the last video when I done this tree. I wanted this to grow into here. What I'm going to do is just prune it back to that node there. And I'm going to add a bit of wire onto that, just to bend it down where I want it. and just continue up the tree to the apex. Snipping and removing. Surprising how thick them's getting over the last couple of months. I'm cleaning it up. I'll just add this bit wire. Try not to trap the leaves. Not out. And I want that round. In there. Yeah. So you can see the structure a bit better now. It's quite a bit come off. I didn't expect it being that much like, but never mind. Needs must. Looks a little bit better. That was a branch I need to grow into it. That's what we've took off. Canny bit. So, okay, that's just a little short video on pruning the Cotoneaster. Need to stop smoking. What I'll do now is I'll show you what I've been up there with Howrad in his new house and everything. It's nothing to do with bonsai, but people like Howrad. Everyone was asking about my Doncaster. So what? Let's give you an update on Howrad. I've had to move him into his new house. We've called it Buckingham Palace because he's got pool access. Hi Howrad. Hello. Oh, there he is now. He's nice and big. Yeah, I know how there's his pool access from his house. Buckingham Palace for him, which is better than a box or someone's dinner plate, because that's where he was from, Tesco's egg. Are you following your dad? Are you following your dad? What I've done is I've got another 12 eggs from Tesco's and I'll stick them in the incubator and see if we can get him a little friend. Then he might stop crying for me. Why? What? What? Ah! Look at that. So that's it for this video. Just a little pruning the Cotoneaster and a Howrad the duck update. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Make it worth doing the videos. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!